In this video, we are going to see how we can get rid of and uninstall Microsoft Edge permanently from your Windows 11 computer. So before proceeding to uninstall Microsoft Edge, make sure you already have an other browser as an alternative. And once you make that sure, let's proceed with the uninstall process. And just remember guys, that you cannot do it directly from control panel and uninstall a program. Although you can do it, but it will still remain in some form within Windows 11. So I'm going to show you how we can permanently remove that completely and entirely from Windows 11. First of all, let's head over to the start menu and right here settings, hit enter. When we click on apps, and from here we click on default apps. And first of all, just select the browser that you want to make as default. So in this case, I'm using Google Chrome. And when we click on it, we need to make sure that we click on set this as default. And if any of the app is still associated with Microsoft Edge, we need to change it to Google Chrome. And unfortunately, you have to individually go through it and just make sure that it is not associated in any way. Any of the file is not associated with Microsoft Edge. So just make sure of that. And it's only a couple of files, so don't worry, you don't need much work to do. And after that, just close out of here. And after that, you just head over to any browser and use Wise Uninstaller for that. And we will use Wise Cleaner for that. So it's a great small tool that we will use. Click on free download. And once that is downloaded, we will click on it quickly and click on run. Click yes. We click on I accept and click on install. And we click on launch. Click yes. And basically it is collecting the information for all the applications that you have in your computer. So whether they are hidden applications or public applications, here's a list of complete desktop apps, metro apps, system components, and browser extensions, and so on. What we can do is just type Microsoft Edge here or Edge, select that. And if we open this, it shows us the option of force uninstall. Click on that. Only use force uninstall if safe uninstall fails. Continue anyway, click yes. And it will take some time because it says that it's analyzing the associated files, folders, and registry entries. Like I said, Microsoft Edge is deep rooted to many of the applications, files, and folders. And if you get the residual data, you click on remove again like this. And if some of them fails to resolve, you click OK. Not a problem. We click on the Microsoft Edge, click on that, select that from the browser extensions and click on uninstall from here. Click yes. And after that, it is removed from here. You can also click on Internet Explorer and all the associated files here. You need to delete them as well and press uninstall. And after that, you will need to restart your computer. And after that, once you try Edge, it will not open anything or show any data regarding this. And that is how you completely remove Edge from your computer. So I hope this helps. And if it did, just mention down in comments if it works for you, and I will see you in the next one.